Hello, this is Monique, and today we are going to install a 32 gigabyte crucial memory, which is two 16 gigabyte chips, into my gaming laptop. And the first thing we have to do is make sure we have a magnetized screwdriver, your new memory, and a tool that I use to pry open the back of the laptop. The next thing we do is there are 12 screws which have already been removed. You can see where they were. And I did have to open the factory seal, or break it rather. And so now I'm going to use this tool to pry open the back. And once I get that open and take it off, I'll be back. Okay, now that I have removed the cover, you can see right here is where the two 8 gig chips are installed now. So all you have to do is pop it out on each side and just remove it. Now notice how there's a notch in it. That's how you want to put the new memory back in. So let's take the other chip out and install the new chips. Okay, I have the new chip right here, and you want to make sure that the notches are lined up. And then it's simple, you just push it down in there and lock it into place. And then we'll do the other one. Now, this will go in this way. And it's that simple. They are now installed. Now we will put the back on, and we will continue to put the screws in, and we'll turn it on to see if the computer recognizes the new memory. Okay, now you can see that right here, installed RAM is now 32 gigabytes, which 31.8 is usable. So it did upgrade.